Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to set up your business hours in the Slimrate system. First, open the main screen and go to the Settings section. Find the section called Hours of Operation. Now choose the day of the week you want to set up. To mark that your business is open on this day, just click the switch. When it turns green, it means your business will be open on that day. For example, if your business is open from Monday to Friday and closed on Saturday and Sunday, simply turn on the switch for each working day and leave it off for the weekends. By default, the system sets your hours to 24 hours a day. To set your own hours, click on the day you want to change and press Add Working Hours. Enter the start time, for example, 9 a.m., then set the end time, for example, 8 p.m. Repeat this process for every working day of the week. After you set the hours for each day, click Save in the bottom right corner. That's it! Now you've successfully set up the business days and hours for your location in Slimrate. Great job! Now you know how to manage your business schedule. See you in the next videos!